new slush flavors like blue raspberry made with Nerds Kids.
So,
start your day with the 99-cent morning drink
I'm
stop.
Isabella.
This is Sonic.
And this is my little baby girl, Katie. 15 months old. So she's got some doctor's shots done. And so I decided to start a new thing with her that I'm going to do with my almost 3-month-old when she's Kate's age. I got her a mini blizzard from Dairy Queen. It's an Oreo mini blizzard. And she's getting her chocolate the first time. And I want to go and try to do this every week. And go and get the mini blizzard to share with her. And see if she likes it. Every week do different things.
Easier to manage my home from anywhere. Intelligent Home. The complete home management and security system starts at just $33.99 per month.
Not the healthiest thing to do.
And a $200 Visa rewards
she deserves
it. Time Warner Cable. Enjoy better.
So big work truck sale
Katie,
is on at Sternberg Automotive Sales and Service.
get a face to camera to see you.
78 work trucks and vans
Stand
are
up.
ready to roll at unheard of prices.
Stand up.
Ford F350 crew cabs as low as $21 grand. F250 crew cabs from $20 grand. F150 crew cabs start at just $20,500. Plus over 20 E-Series cargo and passenger vans as low as $16,500. Saves on work trucks while they last. No dealers, please. Sternberg Automotive Sales and Service at 6507 Preston Highway.
People always ask me, what does travel move
two
you
baby
mean?
ones.
Well, it moves you into other experiences, into other cultures, and it
Say
connects you
bye-bye.
with other people. That's where the
Say
magic
bye-bye. Don't feel like talking. She just got up and now. Shots ready. Say bye-bye. There we go. Bye-bye.
Trying to become the second person to ever defeat the Ultimate Slider Challenge.